pakiramdam ko sumusuko na siya. Parang wala na siyang will na ipaglaban. If may ipaglalaban man in the first place, wala nga naman. Since wala nga rin naman kami pinanghahawakan. But
It's like at this point, from someone who's been in his position, he just feels like he wants to give up everything in this house.
and that's not his usual self. Diba usually when I push him away, he'll fight for it. Ngayon parang nagbago na biglang feeling ko ayaw niya na. Yun yung kapag bumitaw ako, papayag siyang bumitaw. Bakit kasi pareho kaming nominated? Ngayon hindi na siya sure. Okay. Pareho lang.